My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing up sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my Mansgram on the description below. And it'll be right next to me. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. Alright, so we back after no sneaker pickups at all in the month of July. Like, not a single pickup in the month of July. We got two. We on our second one. So right there, got that. Shout out to Foot Locker. Right there, riding. What they say? What's that saying? Riding bitch. That's what it's called when you ride passenger. I don't know. That's something weird or whatever like that. But anyway, a little pickup right there. On my way home, just got from the mall. It is 7:22. I need to get something to eat. The sun's right here. You see the sun right there in my eye, well like that. So I'm gonna stop and get something to eat. Then I get home and I'll give you all a little review for this, and then I'll give y'all some information about everything. So yeah, you know. So I'll be home in probably like 20 minutes. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, sorry if my energy level is not that high. I was out all last night. I got a flat tire, like it just bust or something like that. I don't know what happened, and I had to sleep in my car because I was so far from my house. Yeah, it's been a very eventful 24 hours, so to say the least. But anyway, be home about 20 minutes and I'll give you a full review of what I picked up today, so stay tuned for that. Be right back. All right, back. I am home, as you can see. Sorry if you see like a little shadow behind me. I'm trying to position with the light where you can see me, but it's not like too bright, and I'm still working on it. Got classic back. Holding the camera. It's been a while. You haven't done a video in a long time. It's been a while. It's been over a month. But anyway, all right, let's get straight to the shoe. Like I said, in the car, got it from Foot Locker. These did drop today on a Thursday, which is kind of weird. All right, so boom, right off back, you see this is a special box. I'm guessing that's like asphalt or like some like the ground pavement. Going around the box, going right there, going around the box, and on top of it, instead of saying Nike Air, yeah, it says Bike Air, because this is a collab with a BMX bike person. I'm gonna be real with y'all. I do not know the ins and outs of BMX. I don't know nothing about that, but I do know this is a collab. Hold on, I should do this already. Let me pull up the information for this shoe, so when after I show it to you, I can have it all ready for y'all. Let me see. Let me see. Gotta find the name of it. Nigel Sylvester. Yeah, that's what it is. Okay. All right, I got that. No, that's the wrong colorway. The more and more I look at these pictures, these images, I don't really like them. I don't really like them. Hold on. I'm just trying to find a good website to get some information for y'all. There you go, Hypebeast. That's not it though. Oh, he must have came out with a bunch of these. Man, I'm trying to find like a good. I'll be right back. All right, I found a good website for it. All right, so when it's time for that, I already ready. Anyway, Bike Air right there. All right, let's go. Oh, description reads Air Jordan 4 RMSP at Dotcherite. I can't even pronounce that colorway. It's crazy. This is size 8.5. I think these was, I don't even know the retail price. Like I said, I didn't know anything about this shoe. My homeboy hit me up, was like, "Hey, do you want these?" I said, whatever. I actually like the box, to be honest with you. So, but size 8.5, so you know what that means. Personal pair, no reseller here. Let's get straight to it. So, ooh, okay. Right off back, you get some stickers. Bike Air by Jordan. I like that. Okay. Get some stickers. Yeah, look at this again. I like that's nice. And you get some special wrapping paper. I'm guessing that's the person, Nigel Sylvester, maybe. I could be wrong. Tell me in the comments below if I'm wrong. Alright, so without further ado, yeah, I'm not gonna like these. Without further ado, I don't know the name of these either. So I'm just gonna call them the Air Jordan. Hold on. Put that right there. I'm just gonna call them the Air Jordan 4 Sylvester. No, Nigel. Let's say Air Jordan 4 Nigel. Boom. So like I said, Air Jordan Nigel. I don't quote me on that title, that name. I'm just going by what I know it's based on. So now I got some information off of what is this? Sneaker Bar Detroit. Shout out to Sneaker Bar Detroit. They always give me some good information. It'll be up in 2, 1. It's up now, right next to me. So if you want to read along, you can read along. Nigel Sylvester Air Jordan 4 RM Drivewaygrey. That's what they call it, Drivewaygrey. All right, so Nigel Sylvester, the renowned BMX rider, is set to continue his grandma's driveway story with exciting new release, the Air Jordan 4 RM in Anthracite, I can't pronounce that, dubbed the Drivewaygrey colorway. This line of sneaker holds a special place in Nigel's heart as it commemorates the place where he first discovered his passion for bike riding at his grandmother's house at the tender age of 4. The upcoming Air Jordan 4 RM Drivewaygrey features a striking anthracite, university red, and white color palette. The shoe design is dominated by a gray upper intended to the TPU cage that wraps around the heel, offering a sleek and modern look, adding a touch of contrast to Bike Air branding on the heel and rear portal of the midsole are highlighted in crisp white, while university red visible Air Max heel units bring a vibrant pop of color. The subtle yet eye-catching red mini swoosh on the lateral toe foot further enhances the overall anthracite. The shoe is completed with rubber sole, ensuring a cohesive design from top to bottom. Okay, what makes this release even more special is the packaging. Each pair will come with a unique packaging that continues to tell the heartfelt grandma's driveway story, making it a collector's item for both sneaker enthusiasts and fans of Nigel Sylvester. All right, so these are only $160. Not bad, not bad. And August 8th, which is today. Okay. In conclusion, do I ever this tribute to Nigel Roots and Passion, the release, dude? Okay, all right. So this is not the first pair that he released. That's what I got from that. That's what I got from that. There goes some more images if you want to see it. Boom. I don't know why these ads keep on popping up. That's the inside. That's the insole right there. It says Nigel Sylvester and it says Air Jordan. Boom. All right. That's the special right. Okay. And oh, that's Nigel Sylvester right there. Let's see if we can play. I can play that.
Right. So same box, same packaging details, but these are part 2 to Grandma's Driveway.
So these are part 2.
Fire. So the gray notched in the cement that lines the driveway. You got the red mini swoosh, crazy. Red insole. White air on the back, of course. My favorite part, the red air bubble. Oh my god. These are coming out soon. Stay tuned for more details.
Okay, so these are the second pair, like I said. Okay, and oh, that's his grandma right there. That's dope. Those green pairs are fire. Oh my god, the green pair is nice. All right, turn this off real quick. I wonder how much the green pair going for. I wonder how much. Let's see. The green pair is low key fire. Like I like those. Why should be going for something crazy? Not that bad. 386. Oh, that's on GOAT. What about on StockX? The green pair is I actually like those. Shit, green. Stock at, oh yeah, about 380. These ain't bad. The green pair. I actually like the green pair a little bit. I like how they look. I'm not against that. I am not against that. How much is there in my size? In my size, they are $345. So almost $400. I'm not paying that, but when you do tax, it's about $400. Anyway, all right, enough talking. I'm sure they come with extra laces. I don't really want to open this too much, but I do have to get the other shoe anyway. And they do come with extra laces. This poster is a picture of Nigel as a 4-year-old in the driveway of his grandmother's house on his first bike, if I'm not mistaken. So, come with some extra laces. They are white. Nothing special about that. But yeah, mainly the shoe, all gray. That word I couldn't pronounce, but it's all gray. Right there, got the mini red swoosh right there, like he was talking about. On the tongue, it says Bike Air by Jordan. Right there, you probably can't see it because it's dark, but it says Bike Air by Jordan. Insole is red right there. One side says his name, the other one says Air Jordan. Got the Air Max bubble unit right there in the back. This little mini white midsole right there. Outer sole's black. Nike Air on the bottom. I mean, it's okay shoe. It's a great shoe. I mean, it's long. This is an Air Jordan 4, but I don't feel like getting up. All my Air Jordan 4s are on that side. No, that's a lie. I have an Air Jordan 4 right there. But I just don't feel like getting up. I was gonna compare like the length of the front of the forefoot with a normal Air Jordan 4, because this, it just looks long. But I mean, it's for bike riders, I guess. So I mean, it is what it is. Nothing special. I got it because I wanted to get it. A cheap Air Jordan 4. I like, oh, Bike Air on the back too. Bike Air on the back. I like special shoes, like when they do collabs and stuff like that. I like that. Something different. So I mean, whatever. 1 to 10, I'm probably gonna give it a 6, 6.5. Enough is probably just a 6. Not enough for special. It's a great shoe. So I like the packaging though. I do like the packaging. I like the story behind it too. So classic, what you gonna give it? 1 to 10?
6.
Yeah, it's not special. Great shoe.
Yeah.
Dark gray shoe. Unspecial. I like the box. I like it came with some stickers. Even though I'm not gonna open these stickers, I'm gonna leave like that. But I mean, it is what it is. Y'all let me know in the comments below if this was a copper drop for you. What I said it's called? Grandma Driveway? Or the Drivewaygrey? I think I said Drivewaygrey. If I'm not mistaken, it was Drivewaygrey. Hold up. Make sure I get this right. This title right. I mean this name right. Hold on. What I do? Hypebeast? What was that? No, Grandma's Driveway? I don't feel like How did I forget the name of the shoe that fast? Yeah, Grandma's Driveway, I guess. I thought it was like Drivewaygrey. But yeah, the Nigel Sylvester Air Jordan 4 RM. What do RM stands for? Somebody tell me in the comments below, what do RM stands for? Is that something to do with BMX as a bike? I don't know. Oh no, the Grandma's Driveway is the green ones. Yeah, so I think these was like the Drivewaygrey. That's what I wanna go by that. Anyway, it'll be in the title below. Let me know if this was a copper drop for y'all. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, for me, I was Toon, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Toon's Kicks and the whole Toon squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.